everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make tori no kakipiriage. It's basically chicken fries, but instead of panko breadcrumb, I'm using this. This is called kakipi in Japan, maybe Kameda crisp in the US. It's little rice crackers packed with some peanuts. So this is like Japanese version of pretzel. So if you can't find this kakipi or Kameda crisp, you can use pretzel and some peanuts. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this tori no kakipiriage. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 bags of kakipi. It's 30 grams per bag. 6 to 8 chicken tenderloin, half cup of all-purpose flour, and some salt and pepper. I'm going to crush this kakipi first. So put it between tea towel or cloth and beat it with rolling pin. Like this. Let's prepare the chicken. I want to remove this tendon here. So prepare a fork and put it like this and grab the tendon using kitchen paper and pull. And you can easily remove the tendon like this. Let's cut it into half and try to standardize the size. Now, I'm making some batter. So here I have half cup of all-purpose flour. Let's put some salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. And half cup of water. Give it a mix. And the batter is ready. Let's put crushed kakipi in the tray here. Chicken into the batter, then kakipi, press it so the kakipi stay well. Okay, let's fry them. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. And let's check the temperature. Put lamb chopstick into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up from the chopsticks, that means the oil is ready. So let's put the chicken gently into the oil. And fry them for 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure not to tap them too much. You don't want to end up making naked fried chicken. Looks good. So let's take them out and drain. Before moving on to the next batch, remove all the bits in the frying pan. Okay, all fried and it's done. Time for the tasting. You can have it without any sauce because Kameda crisp is usually seasoned. But I like to have it with Japanese Kewpie mayo and Shichimi Japanese chili mix. Let's put some mayonnaise. And itadakimasu. Did you hear the sound? It's super crunchy. And the peanuts is a great accent and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Tori no kakipiyage is the main, so it goes here. The main is deep fried, so let's go light for the other dishes. How about onion salad for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. Plain rice here, eggplant miso soup here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.